Hello people and welcome back to Core on Dashcam channel, a channel that features only the craziest moments scored on driver's dashcam, and we'll kick this episode off with a heated road rage between a biker and the driver who cut him off. Once the biker pulled up to him, this is what happened.
Was geht bei dir nicht richtig? Bleib stehen! Ja, ich habe keine Bremse, du musst aber gucken, wenn jemand von vorne kommt. Ich habe das hier alles schon auf Kamera. Man muss gefälligst vorne gucken, bevor man irgendwo reinfährt. Ja, du hast geblinkt. Hast du denn angehalten? Hast du angehalten, habe ich dich gefragt. Junge, wegen solchen Leuten, wegen dir sterben wir.
Ich fahre rein und habe kein Kommen sehen.
Sie haben kein Kommen sehen? Ich habe mich an die Geschwindigkeit gehalten. Was machen Sie denn?
Everybody zoom in. Oh, that was cut off. Watch him cut me off. Thank you. No, I mean, is that an exit? Schneider. Hey, that's not a left turn lane, stupid.
Assuming you can just pull out onto the road without looking or double checking is one big mistake. This crazy driver didn't bother slowing down in the parking lot at all, and he nearly caused a heavy accident. Pay close attention at the driver in front of the camera. Even though he had a green light, he still brake checked the camera for some reason.
What is this person doing?
Yeah, get one of those things and plunk it on there. Whoa, that's close.
Of course, it had to be a Mercedes driver who ran a red light and cut the camera off.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
In this situation, the camera caught a crazy driver running not one, but two red lights like it's nothing. But that's not all. Check what's about to happen moments after that.
哦，那个车。而且刚才他不光是闯两红灯啊。
Road markings are a serious thing in traffic, just like traffic lights or any other traffic signs, and the drivers should definitely obey the road markings.
And that these other people stole his work, and he's the true inventor of the vaccine. Meanwhile,
you can't have it both ways.
Yeah, he's gone totally conspiracy theory anti-vaxxer at the same time. I guess he figures if I'm not going to get the credit for it, I'm going to denigrate it. And then other anti-vaxxers are they're like downgrading the importance of the Nobel Prize. Yeah, good luck with that.
Right.
That's a good approach. That's a good approach. Loser.
Oh, geez. It is true. When I tried to search how many lives have been saved by the COVID-19 vaccine, in the first page of Google results, sadly, is anti-vax rhetoric saying, like, vaccine actually saved no.
All it takes is one confused and careless driver to cause confusion in traffic, and that's exactly what happened in this parking lot, because one driver decided to go the wrong way and block the entire parking lot. It's not the first time we've seen and noticed a lot of rude drivers on the road, and in this situation, one driver in particular used the right turn lane only to get in front of the traffic during the rush hour. Instead of stopping while exiting the gas station, this crazy moped rider simply followed another vehicle that was in front of him without bothering to turn his head left nor right to look first. This crazy driver completely ignored the road markings as he cut across the entire road. This could have easily led to a heavy accident.
That is a weird angle to this whole thing. Why are you wearing a left-wing loonies you see out there? Whether they go out to like the World Economic Forum and they break stuff, or where they go do any of these things, we've seen in Portland and Seattle. A vast majority of who wear these they're covers. What is it called? The KN95s and all that.
Pay close attention at a lady driving an SUV in front of the camera. She didn't manage to maintain her lane position, and the camera blew his air horn a couple of times, but she didn't hear it. Luckily, the traffic was not dense and it didn't come to an accident. But what about bad driving? Crazy driver ran a red light, and it came with some serious consequences and a heavy price to pay. But that's not the worst part. After the crash, the driver who caused it all got out of his car and he started to flee the scene. Check out these moments.
Yep. I remember. Have you been to the source?
The mall, right?
Oh! Oh my god! Wait, how is that? His car just randomly popped, or oh, the car like ran off? The car ran off? Is that what happened?
No, that car hit him.
Oh, hit and run.
Oh shit, they're yelling.
And with this clip, we conclude yet another amazing episode on Core on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something valuable out of all the mistakes. If you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like, because that's the only thing that can help this channel grow. And also, while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and keep your eyes wide open.